Hey guys, Crispy Vids back with another unboxing. So today we've got the Apple Watch Braided Solo Loop. This is the charcoal color. Yes, you can still get it in the charcoal color. On the Apple Store site, it shows, when you look up Apple Watch bands, it only shows the current colors on there. So what you have to do is just click on that you want the Apple Watch band, and then when you go in, there's all little dots of the color selection along the bottom, and you can select which one you want. So we've got the charcoal. This is a 44mm stainless Series 6, and we'll just have a quick look at the box. It's pretty simple. We've got the braided solo loop. This is in Australia. They're $139 in Australia, which is pretty excessive for a simple braided loop band, but we're going to try it out and see how it goes. So let's get into it. We'll get the special little seal there. They always do excellent packaging, Apple. So you've got your normal bit of paper in there, and pretty simple. You have the charcoal solo loop. So what I did is I downloaded the measurement tool off the Apple Store, and I laid it on my wrist and checked, and it said that I was actually a size 7. So I didn't believe that. So I've gone with the size 6 here because I have a feeling that these are going to stretch a little bit over time. So I thought I'm best off getting a slightly tighter one than one that fits just right, and then over time it's going to stretch and not fit. So pretty simple, standard, the metal tab facing up, install onto the watch, and you just pull it down to get it on the watch. So let's get this out and have a go and see if I've picked the right size today. It's very light. So I normally wear the silicone band. It's very nice and stretchy. I have bought a cheap braided loop before, and the quality was just not there, so I sent it back. I didn't like it at all, but this one seems to be quite nice, as you'd expect from Apple. So let's get it on the watch here. We've got the metal tab facing up, pretty simple. Metal tab facing up again, and we'll get that on there like that, and that's what it looks like on the stainless space black Apple Watch. We'll try it on and see if we've got the right size. It's a bit tight getting it on, but yeah, I think 7 would have been massive. That is just snug on my hand. So I was right in the middle of the number 7 on the testing tool. But I really didn't want to get the 7 because I just thought, oh, if it's bang on in the middle, it's going to be too big over time. And I'm glad I went with that decision, because this is actually, I almost feel like I could go the next size down as well, because I can just slide a finger in there. But I think that'll be okay. It might not be any good for exercising, because you might get a bit of a wobble in the watch and get the measurements not recorded properly, but we'll see how we go. I'll test it out. It's a very comfortable band. Like I haven't had the Apple Braided Solo Loop before. I did try the normal silicone Solo Loop and absolutely hated it. It was just too tight on my skin, and made it just did not feel nice at all, and just felt like it was always sweating under your skin. But this one here, I don't think you're going to get that at all, because it's that material and stretchy, so it's going to breathe a lot easier. So yeah, there you have it, guys. That's the charcoal braided solo loop for the Apple Watch. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.